Oh, they're small. Don't they have a big one?
Talk to your husband. He buys the produce.
Okay. They Ontario, they're small.
Hi, everybody. For today's episode, we're going to have my mom, Rosalia, she's back in the kitchen with us, a couple of different peach recipes because it is Ontario peach season now. In order to give you some inspiration, we've got a couple family recipes that my mom does. So it's going to be a two-part episode. We're going to cover making a simple peach jam and then just peaches in simple syrup. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. First thing you gotta do is?
I gotta show you how to sterilize this. We sterilize it now. This is a process. To sterilize the jars, I usually take it apart. I like to boil. Or you can put it in the oven. And this is usually boiling them. You dry them all. You don't want it wet. You can do peach, you can do pears, you can do anything. But that's usually
Peaches and pears. Those are the two that you do.
Yes, the syrup for the peach.
Cool.
So we put in water, 1 liter,
1 liter water.
and 500 grams of sugar.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make about 3 liters of water. Depends how many peach we're gonna do. And you can keep it in the fridge, the syrup. We have to boil this. Cut the peach, take the skin off, takes a while. Make sure you don't cut too much, otherwise you end up with no peach. Instead of to cut it in half, usually you see them in jars with a half cut. I like to cut them like this because take them out and it's easy to eat it. You don't have to cut it. So I like it to make it like that, like French fries. See that? They're turning. So what I'm doing, I'm putting lemon because lemon, we're not gonna make it dark. Did you see the lemon, what it does? Doesn't make it dark, see? First, you gotta put the peach in there and then you put the syrup.
The peaches go in the jars first?
Yes.
Yep, then the syrup?
The jars, yes.
How high do you want me to fill it up? Oh, you went all the way.
Uh-huh. So make sure when you close it, you want to make sure they're dry all around
Why?
because you don't want any wetness.
Why?
Otherwise they can go bad. We have hot water right now, but you can use cold water, okay? When it's starting to boil, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, they're ready. That's it. So now you know how to make peach.
I'm gonna start crying soon.
What did I do?
I've asked you 4 times for temperatures now, and each one you just said, I don't know, low. Love my mother.
I love you, son, too.